Y'all, guess who's back on the throne? It's your girl, Queen. And today we are turning that static little avatar we made last time into a full-blown talking, moving, sass-giving digital diva. You ready to make your AI character talk like she's got something to say? Because today we're diving into Canva, Hedra, DID, and of course, ElevenLabs. Because what's a queen without her voice, right? Let's go from silent slay to talking queen status and do it the only way we know how, the AI royal way. All right, royal fam, let's just jump right in. So we're picking up from where we left off in the last video. Remember that avatar picture we made? Yeah, we need to fix it up and get it to that perfect 16:9 YouTube friendly size. Now, we could have asked ChatGPT to whip up a new version for us, but nah, we're keeping it hands-on today. So we're heading straight into Canva to get this done. First things first, let's open up a brand new project in Canva and choose the YouTube video format. So we get that sweet 16:9 ratio. Once you're in, head over to uploads and find that avatar pic from the last video. I've already got mine in there, so I'm just gonna click on it and stretch it out to fill the canvas as much as possible.
Magnificent.
Next, we hit edit, then scroll over to Magic Expand. And here's the cool part, it gives us an option to expand the whole scene. Let's hit that and see what Canva blesses us with. Okay, looks like all of these results added a whole extra person into the mix. Yeah, that's not what we want. Sometimes that happens with Magic Expand. It gets a little too creative. But no worries, I got you. Just scroll through and pick the version that looks the best. I'll show you how to fix it up and keep our avatar looking royal and solo. Now under the Edit tab, we're going to scroll over to Magic Grab. This tool is so clutch. Just click on that extra person and the trash can, and boom, it's deleted. Canva does the cleanup for us like magic. All right, now I'm just going to crop the picture. Honestly, we could have just cropped it from the start to get that extra person out. So if you don't have access to Magic Grab, don't worry. Cropping is always a solid backup option. Now we're going to go ahead and download this image as a PNG, nice and clean, so we can upload it into DID and Hedra to bring our avatar to life. Just click on share, then hit download, make sure PNG is selected and click download one more time. Easy peasy. All right, now let's head over to ElevenLabs. Click on voices and scroll through to find one that fits your avatar's vibe. Pick the one that really brings your character to life.
Once upon a time, there was a beautiful little girl named Sabrina, living happily until one day, an evil witch appeared and changed everything.
Next, click on text-to-speech. Over on the right side, choose the voice you want to use. If you've got voices saved already, even better. Then just type in whatever you want your avatar to say, scroll down, and hit generate at the bottom. Boom, instant voice magic. Now, you can either give it a quick listen or scroll to the bottom and click download. My bottom bar is hidden, so I just head over to the right side, click on history, and then hit that little download icon next to my voice clip. All right, let's quickly hop back into Canva to use DID right inside the platform. Then we'll jump over to the DID website. So once you're back in Canva, head over to the sidebar and click on the DID app. If you don't see it yet, just go to apps, search for DID and add it in. Once you're in the app, click the upload box under avatar and upload that image we saved earlier. Once your image is uploaded, go ahead and delete the old picture we were working on earlier, just to keep things tidy. Then click on the new avatar you just added in the DID app and hit Use Avatar. From here, you've got two options. Click on text if you want to use one of DID's built-in voices, or hit audio to upload that voice file we just made in ElevenLabs. We're not going to upload it here just yet, since we'll be heading over to the full DID website. But just so you know, at the bottom, you'll see a Generate Presenter button. Right below that, it'll show you how many credits you have left and how many this creation will use. Just a little heads up before you hit Generate. All right, let's slide on over to the DID website. From the homepage, click on Avatar Video, then hit Start from Blank. Next, go to My Avatars and click on that little plus sign box that says Create. Choose Create with Photo and then upload the image you want to use. Yep, the same one we worked on in Canva. Once your picture is uploaded, you'll see options to tweak the emotions, movement, and position. Personally, I usually just switch the movement to lively to give it a bit more energy and leave everything else as is. It keeps things simple and still looks great. Now click on Script, and since we already have our voice file from ElevenLabs, we're going to click on Audio, then hit Upload Audio, and select the file we've got ready to go. Of course, just like in Canva, you also have the option to use DID's text-to-speech feature if you'd rather type out your script and pick one of their voices instead. Next, go ahead and click on Generate Video. You'll have the option to name your file. Totally up to you. Then hit Generate, and just like in Canva, it'll show you how many credits you have left and how many this video will use. And boom, you're bringing your avatar to life. All right, we've got our video. Now let's go ahead and download it and take a look at our talking avatar masterpiece. This is where all the magic comes together, y'all.
Hey, I'm the avatar that was created at the end of the last video. Nice to meet you. This is how I look when you bring me to life using DID's Creative Reality Studio. Cool, right?
Let's head over to one of my favorite picture-to-video systems, Hedra. First, I'll show you their new Character 3 model, which is super realistic and full of personality. Then we'll check out the Legacy app. It uses fewer credits and still gives you a solid result, even if it's not quite as lively. All right, first up, click on Video, and that'll take you straight to Hedra's Character 3 model. From there, click on Start Frame and upload the picture you want to bring to life. Oh, and just a heads up, every time you upload something to Hedra, you'll probably see a little pop-up message. Don't worry, you didn't do anything wrong. It's totally normal. Next, click on Audio Script and upload the voice file we made in ElevenLabs. Hedra gives you the option to trim the audio if you need to make any quick edits. Once you're happy with it, just click Add to Video and you're good to go. They also have a text-to-speech option you can use right inside the platform. We're almost done, y'all. Before you hit Generate, you've got a few final options like changing the aspect ratio and resolution to fit your project. I leave the duration set to Auto. You can also type in specific emotions or gestures if you want to give your avatar some extra personality. All right, final step. Just hit the little up arrow inside the red circle to generate your video. That's it. Sit back and let Hedra work its magic. Your avatar is officially coming to life. Okay, Royal Fam, we've got our final video. Let's go ahead and download it and take a look and see how we did.
Hey there. Yep, it's me again, the same avatar from the last video. This time, I was brought to life using Hedra Character 3. With just a few clicks, you can make your avatar talk, blink, and move like this. Super easy and fun to use.
Okay, fam. One more to go. We're staying right here in Hedra, but this time we're checking out their Legacy app to see what kind of magic we can get with fewer credits. It might not be as lively as the Character 3 model, but trust me, it still delivers. Let's see what we get. From the Hedra homepage, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the sidebar, click on the little circle with your initials, and from the menu that pops up, click on Legacy app. Boom, you're in. Go to the audio section and click on Upload. Grab that same voice file we made in ElevenLabs and you're all set for the next step. And yep, you can also use the text-to-speech feature here too, just like in the newer version. But since we've already got our ElevenLabs audio, we're sticking with the upload option for now. Now go ahead and click on Upload under the Character section and choose the picture you want to use. This is the same avatar we've been working with. Time to bring them to life one more time. The cool thing about the Legacy app is that it's based on time. So if your video is under a minute, like ours, you're barely using any credits. Gotta love that. Now just hit generate video and let's see what this classic version can do. And just like that, we've got our final video. Let's go ahead and download it and take a look.
I'm the avatar you saw at the end of the last video. Now you're seeing me move and talk using the Legacy app in Hedra. It's super beginner-friendly and a great way to bring your avatar to life without feeling overwhelmed.
Okay, fam, time for the royal recap. DID is one of the best tools for bringing your avatars to life. It takes a still image and makes it talk with super realistic facial movements. You can sync it up with either text or audio, and boom, instant digital magic. You can try it out with a free trial, but just know the trial and light plans do come with watermarks. The trial one even slaps a big old full screen watermark on your video, so yeah, it's there. Also, all plans cap you at 5 minutes per video, no matter which one you're on. Bonus, DID is hooked up with ElevenLabs, so you get access to some seriously high quality voices. It's like your avatar's glow up moment, voice and all. Hedra is hands down one of my favorites. It gives you 2 solid ways to bring your avatars to life. First up, there's the Character 3 model, super realistic, full of personality, and looks so good. Then there's the Legacy app, which is a little simpler, but still totally gets the job done. And bonus, it uses way fewer credits. Hedra runs on a credit system, and you'll get some free credits when you sign up. Yes, free. Just so you know, Character 3 videos run around 3 to 6 credits per second depending on resolution, while the Legacy app is based on total time. So if your video's under a minute, you're barely using any credits at all. And here's the premium bonus. For paid users, Hedra also gives you access to tools like Kling, Minimax, and VO2 right inside the platform. Yup, it's like an all-in-one creative studio for your AI content. ElevenLabs is where the magic happens. When it comes to voices, this is how we gave our avatar its voice. And y'all, it's so good. You can pick from a bunch of pre-made voices or even create your own, which is honestly mind-blowing. Their free plan gives you a few thousand characters a month to play with, and if you upgrade, you unlock way more voices, more usage, and some really cool extra features. And let's be real, ElevenLabs is #1 in my book when it comes to AI voices. You've heard their voices everywhere, on TV, social media, YouTube, TikTok, they're everywhere. Once you recognize them, you'll start hearing them all over the place. Oh, and get this, DID and Hedra both use ElevenLabs to power their voice options. So yeah, it's kind of the voice behind the voices. And that's a royal wrap. We took our avatar from static to straight up superstar using Canva, DID, Hedra, and ElevenLabs. And we did it the AI royal way. But don't go too far, because in part 3, we're bringing it all together. Everything we've covered in the first 2 videos, we're turning that into one smooth start to finish process. And I'm gonna prove to you that you can do this in just a few minutes. No stress, no fancy skills needed. If you've got a mouse and a dream, you're good to go. So hit that subscribe button, drop a comment if you're feeling fancy, and get ready to learn, create, and reign the AI royal way. See you next time, fam.